Hello parents, teachers and super champs of Host 2020. This is Harish Srinivasan back with another video, and this video is very special because in this video I'm going to explain you how you can use the self-reflection frame that we gave as a gift to all the active participants of Host 2020. And remember, practicing this daily will really develop your superpowers. So watch out for me to explain how we can use this board every day so that you could reflect your experiences and also improve your superpowers. Shall we start? I have a design for the My Reflection frame in my hand, and for you would have received in a big A2 planner size. Yes, so that's a frame we have customizedly designed for you from the scratch. Yes, so now hang it in the wall, maybe in your room or in your home, so that you could see that daily. When you wake up or before going to bed, that should be visible to you. Yes, so first when you hang the frame, you can use your sketch or whiteboard marker to write on it. And important thing is, you can do that daily. That means it's reusable. So you can write it on the day one, erase it at the end of the day, and write it your reflection for the next day. So this reusable frame is something you can use it daily all through your life. Quickly, I'm going to explain you what is written or what are the questions that is asked in the frame and what you need to respond to it. Okay, so the first is, write your name on it. So it is asking like what hostie wants to call me. So write your name, something that hostie wants to call you. And before the day starts, you need to fill these two important questions. How are you feeling today? So every day is not the same. One day you'll be really happy, sad, frustrated because of any reasons. But it's important to first let your emotions out and just tick it very honestly how you're feeling at the starting of the day. And it'll actually give a better experience throughout the day. That is the first question. Second is, what are your plans to make this day great? There are certain activities that will really help you to make this day great, right? Maybe playing sport or having a call with your friend or interacting with your family. So what are your plans that you want to do today to make this day great? So list out 4 important things that you're going to do today. That's the 2 very important questions you're going to write it during the starting of the day. And then you can proceed through the day, go along your activities, attend online class, play and all those stuffs, and just again come back to the frame before you go to bed. Okay, so the first question before the day ends, what are the superpower skills that you use today? Maybe you would have used your creative ideas, maybe you used teamwork. What are the skills or superpowers that you felt you used on that particular day? Just remember, or else whenever you did something, just go to the frame and mark it down if the frame is near to you in your home. Second question is, one thing that made you sad today and what did you do about it? There are certain things that we don't like about it. We would have planned something but it would have not gone that way. So there are certain things that would have made you sad today. It's very important if you could write it down and you will definitely get a solution for it. So just write one thing that made you sad today and what did you do about it. The next question, top 5 things that made you happy today. This is very important because we know there are certain things that gives us happiness. If you write it down and every day when you see it, you will really see a pattern of what you love doing, what gives you happiness. So that's very important for you to understand about yourself better. And the next question is, how much time did you spend for academics, sports, fitness, play, passion, hobby, family, watching TV, mobile? We don't really track it, right? So we used to spend many hours with academics or TV, but the real spend should be on your passion, on your family time. So first, market those hours, just approximately. You don't have to be very perfect. Approximately write down, list down the hours you spend, and every day you could have a self-analysis. Did I spend correct number of hours for each activity? Or else just try to change an habit so that you could spend quality time for your passion, for your family, for your physical fitness. Just change your routine accordingly so that you spend quality time for these important activities. And the last 2 questions, what are you thankful for today? you have been blessed because you have participated in host, because of your family, you are fortunate set of students. So there are very simple things that you are grateful, that you can feel grateful for today. For example, today I'm grateful for the food that my mom cooked and gave me. So I'm grateful for that. So you could be grateful even for the very smallest reasons, but just list it down so that whoever it is, your family or your siblings, whoever sees it, they also will feel happy about it. And last question, there is always a scope for improvement, right? You can always improve, you can always go from point A to point B, but the improvement should start within you. What would you like to improve about yourself? There are certain things that you feel you can improve. We don't want others pinpointing you to and saying that you should do this, you should do that. No, you are a very matured kid. We know that you could analyze yourself and list down certain things, just one thing every day that you feel you could improve or do it better the next day. And once you have written it down, that's the powerful thing of journal, right? Writing diary or writing in this frame is a very similar thing. Once you write it down, you are telling to yourself that you are doing this or your emotions are that. That's very important to analyzing yourself, and you will definitely get better next time. That's it from my end. So what you need to do is just fix on your frame, start practicing writing in the self-reflection daily, and take a photo of it any one of the day and share it to our WhatsApp number that you see here, so that we'll also know that you are practicing this habit. And allow any of your family members or your siblings or to come and check it out, because they will also know or understand your emotions, and based on that they will get a new perspective of you. I'm eagerly looking forward for you to try this out, and parents, teachers who are seeing this, motivate your children to start practicing this daily. You will definitely see the results. Looking forward to meet you all in the next video. Thank you. This is Harish Srinivasan signing off. Bye.